Is your PC or laptop refusing to shut down? Today, we'll show you how to fix issues with shutting down your Windows device. Let's get started. First, search for CMD in your Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow permissions. Now, you'll need to enter a command to turn off Hibernation. Simply copy powercfg/hoff from the video description below, paste it into the command prompt by pressing Ctrl+V, and then press Enter. Once done, type Exit and hit Enter again to close the command prompt. This disables Hibernation and may help your PC shut down more smoothly. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. If the first method doesn't fix the issue, let's try adjusting your power settings. Search for Control Panel in your Start menu and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then click on Power Options. Next, click on Choose what the power button does. You might see Change Settings that are currently unavailable at the top. Click on that. Now, make sure to uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. Remember to click on Save Changes before you exit. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Again, open Command Prompt as an administrator just like we did before. Once you have it open, copy the command Shutdown FST00 from the video description, paste it into command prompt with Ctrl+V, and press Enter. This command forces your PC to shut down immediately. And there you have it, 3 solutions to help fix issues with your PC not shutting down properly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.